Welcome back to Wisdom Stoics, where we explore the profound wisdom of Stoic philosophy to help you live a more mindful and balanced life. Before starting video, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss the daily Stoic updates. Thank you. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and explore how reverse psychology and Stoicism can help you turn rejection into your greatest ally. Reverse psychology is a powerful tool that involves encouraging someone to do something by suggesting they do the opposite. In the context of Stoicism, this can be used to embrace rejection and use it to our advantage. Lesson 1. Embrace rejection. Marcus Aurelius teaches us to accept what we cannot change. When you face rejection, see it as a natural part of life and an opportunity to grow. Lesson 2. Detach from outcomes. Focus on the process, not the result. By detaching from outcomes, you free yourself from the fear of rejection and can approach situations with a clear mind. Lesson 3. Use adversity as fuel. Rejection can be a powerful motivator. Use it to ignite your passion and drive towards your goals. Lesson 4. Reflect and learn. After experiencing rejection, take time to reflect on what happened. Learn from the experience and use it to improve yourself. Lesson 5. Practice patience. Understand that success often requires time and perseverance. Rejection is just a step along the path to achieving your goals. Lesson 6. Stay true to your values. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of living a virtuous life. Let your values guide you, even in the face of rejection. Lesson 7. Seek inner approval. Don't rely on external validation. Find confidence and contentment within yourself. Lesson 8. Use rejection to build resilience. Each rejection makes you stronger and more capable of handling future challenges. Lesson 9. Focus on what you can control. Marcus Aurelius believed in focusing on our own actions and attitudes. Let go of what you cannot control and take charge of your own destiny. Lesson 10. Maintain perspective. Rejection is often temporary and insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Keep a broader perspective on life. Lesson 11. Reframe rejection positively. View rejection as redirection towards a better path or opportunity that aligns more with your true purpose. Lesson 12. Use humor to diffuse rejection. Humor can help you take rejection less seriously and move on more easily. Lesson 13. Be grateful for rejection. Each rejection is a lesson and an opportunity for growth. Cultivate gratitude for these experiences. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. Embrace rejection, use it to your advantage, and continue to grow stronger in your Stoic path. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from these lessons. Until next time, stay resilient and keep striving for excellence.